Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'll be sharing with you how to make honey Dijon vinaigrette dressing recipe. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. And now let me take you over the ingredients to get started. First ingredient we will need is olive oil. We will need 1/3 cup of olive oil. The second ingredient we will need is 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. The third ingredient we will need is 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. The fourth ingredient we will need is 3 tablespoons of honey. And the last two things we will need is black pepper and salt. We will need 1 teaspoon of black pepper and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now let's mix all these ingredients together. You can use this vinaigrette to marinate things, and you can use it on top of any vegetables that you like. It's easy and delicious. Please try it. Let me know if you liked it or not. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, leave comment below, and until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye!